2013-160, State of Arkansas versus Tyler Bustring for arraignment.
Your Honor, I privately represent Mr. Bustring, enter a plea of not guilty and waive formal reading of the charges.
All right. Plea of not guilty is noted. This matter will be on this court's docket, so I'm setting it for trial January 21st and 22nd of 2014. Pre-trial November 21st, and of 2013, and a reappearance on October 24th. Are there any other matters to be brought up today?
No, Your Honor.
All right. You may be excused, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Court will call 2013-52, 2013-54, State of Arkansas versus Jonathan Dwyer. Previously, on June 27th, a plea of not guilty was entered for Mr. Dwyer, and the court, this reappearance was ordered so that the matter could get on this court's scheduling order. Court is going to schedule these two cases for trial on January 21st and 22nd. Pre-trial will be set for November 21st, and reappearance will be ordered for October 24th.
Thank you, Judge.
Those orders will apply to both cases. There'll be a written scheduling order filed in the court file with these dates and other dates.
And just for the record, Judge, discovery was completed by the state yesterday, so we have all those materials and are reviewing them now.
Very good.
Thank you.
All right. You may be excused, sir.
Thank you, Judge. That's all of my business before the court. May I be excused?
You may be excused. Thank you. Next matter for arraignment is 2013-175, State of Arkansas versus Mark Hanson.
Your Honor, Mr. Hanson filled out an application for the Public Defender's Office this morning, and looking at that, I feel as I did to those in the jail that he will meet the requirements. We'd enter a plea of not guilty and waive formal reading of the charges.
Court is appointing the Public Defender's Office to represent Mr. Hanson. The plea of not guilty is noted on the record. This matter is on Judge Putman's docket and will be set for reappearance on August 8th. All right, you may be excused, sir. 2013-70, State of Arkansas versus Sarah Vilches.
Yeah, it's for a reappearance.
This was for reappearance. This is basically the reappearance for status check on the case. Where does has discovery been completed, etc.?
Your Honor, we believe we have the bulk of the discovery. I'll work with Mr. Kincaid to try to find if there's a resolution to this case.
Well, the pretrial is set for August 15th with a trial date in November 12th.
We can resolve this, but on that schedule.
All right.
I believe so, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Vilches, you need to reappear on August 15th and stay in touch with your attorney until then. All right? You may be excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court will call case of State of Arkansas versus Gary Morrill. We have 2012-137, 2012-258, 2012-294, and 2012-298.
Your Honor, all four of the cases were continued on my motion. Mr. Kincaid and I had some conversation this morning on the resolution of these cases, and if the discussion we had, Your Honor, was that if we could not get it resolved, set it on a scheduling order that would have the cases actually be tried sometime in the fall, October or November. And that would certainly give us ample time to deal with all four cases.
Well, can we show the matter continued as an excluded period until, when's my November trial setting? Because I don't have anything in October, correct?
The 2012-137 case has been moved 8 times.
I understand. This is gonna be, I mean, I don't know anything to do but to set it down, and that'll be an absolutely firm trial date. There'll be no continuances for either side. The case is going to trial, and it's either gotta be resolved by plea or tried on whatever date we're gonna set it down.
Your Honor, case 12-137 was set for September already. I know that's on
That was
a,
on Judge Putnam's.
that's a Judge Putman setting, but if the court has a setting in September and wants to put 137
Is
into
it the
that
5th
slot.
and 6th?
It's the 3rd,
The 3rd, September 3rd?
September 3rd.
I'm going to set it down for September 3rd. This is 2012, 137, be set for trial September 3rd. Okay. And then I'm going to set all three of the other ones for November 12th. And again, they will be tried or a plea will be entered, but there won't be any more continuances.